I'll be driving to our destination, which is St. Stephen's Green. At the moment, looks like the journey could take anything between 45 minutes and an hour and 15.
I'll be getting there by bike. I've not done this route before, so I'm not sure exactly how long it'll take, but probably between 30 and 40 minutes.
And I'll be using my Leap card to take the new F1 bus route. Now, there are a few bus lanes into town, so this should take me a little over an hour.
Okay, so it is just after 7:45. Says at the moment it's going to take 56 minutes to get to our destination. We'll see how it goes.
So, oh man, there's the F1.
This is one of the nice bits of my commute this morning, through the dotted greenway, away from the traffic, and what a lovely way to start your day.
So we're about to pass over the M50 here, and a quick look around and we can see it is, full of cars. Both directions.
15 minutes since the bus driver very kindly waited for me to get on the bus. It's busy, but it's definitely not packed.
This section here is one of the most difficult. I'm in a bus lane, but there are loads of cars in it too. It feels riskier. It's just not as pleasant an experience.
We're into the final third of the journey, coming into Rathmines now, and it is starting to get pretty packed. About 3 or 4 stops ago we had to start refusing commuters, and traffic is pretty congested.
What's interesting is that your sat-nav reroutes to find a quicker way for you. So I've now come off Temple Oak Road, and I feel like I'm taking a shortcut that I didn't know was a shortcut through a housing estate.
Hasn't been too tough of a journey, but it's tough seeing Colman at 8:32 currently at its destination. They didn't call it a race, but it was a race to me. Just off the bus at Stephen's Green here, pretty much bang on schedule, about 8:45.
I was last in the car.
Second on the bus.
I got here fastest and cheapest. I had a fairly pleasant commute this morning. No surprise that I got here first. The journey took me about 45 minutes with a few stops. You could do it quicker than that if you had to.
Once we got to those denser commuter areas like Terranure, the bus did start to pack up that little bit, and that was when we had to start refusing commuters. So all in all, my journey took me just under an hour, and I came second.
So I was in the car. My commute took me about an hour and 20 minutes. Parts of the route were very busy through the suburban areas of Temple Oak and Rathfarnham, down into Rathgar and Rathmines and into the city centre. Unfortunately, I came last.